welcome back to my channel. So on today's video we'll be working with Geniuswigs. They sent me one of their beginner friendly fake scalp wigs. So basically the tea with this wig is that everything is already done for you. So it comes with bleached knots, it has a plucked hairline, and it also has the adjustable elastic band, so you can wear this wig glueless if you would like. So also it has the built-in stocking cap, so you don't have to wear a stocking cap if you don't want to. So this is what the wig is looking like straight out of the box. As you can see, it already looks so good. You can see that the stocking cap underneath really gives it the illusion of the fake scalp. So I'm just going in with my Got to Be Glued and my freeze spray, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply my wig like I normally do, and I'll be back to give you more tea on this wig. This wig also comes with transparent lace, which is my favorite next to like HD or film lace. And the reason that I love transparent lace so much is that it gives you the option to like tint it or adjust it to your skin tone color, whereas like most wigs already come with like a light brown tint to the lace, and for me the lace is always like way too dark, so that's why I prefer the transparent lace. Now it's time to do some baby hair, and for this wig I decided to keep the baby hair more on the natural side. I didn't want them to be like too over the top, so I'm using my Nairobi styling foam to do that. And honestly, with this wig you could probably get away with the no baby hair look, just because of how natural it looks already on its own. Like, they did such a great job with like customizing and plucking this hairline to make it look really natural. I'm going in with my hot comb, and this is just going to make everything lay nice and flat and smooth. And I also use my Cara wax stick to smooth out any of the flyaways. And then I'm going to take my flat iron, and I decided to bump the ends of this wig. I felt like this wig was the perfect length to have like that like bumped in like 90s type of look. So that's what I'm doing with my flat iron. going in with some scissors to trim up the bang area just so it like frames my face a little better. And then I'm taking my flat iron again and making sure my bang area is nice and bumped and everything is looking all good. But that's pretty much it for this wig install. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are down in the comments below. Do we like it? Do we love it? I was definitely feeling this wig. It's giving me like 90s Aaliyah or something. So if you guys are looking for a cute, affordable, ready to wear wig, then this is definitely the wig for you. Everything about this unit will be linked down in my description box if you guys want to check them out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.